The unknown, an undiscovered path. Doubt and uncertainty will always hold you back. I feel so lost. Where is this taking me?
Doubt and uncertainty will always hold you back from exploring and taking the risk. I wonder, what is my purpose in all of this?
The unknown can be the greatest opportunity for change. I'm questioning myself. Am I doing this right?
There is a time where you're shifting out of the wilderness and going into the promise.
Take courage!
God did not just speak to you one time in the time that He saved your life, but now He wants to constantly speak to you to help make you a solution to the problems in the world around you.
In everything, I am more than a conqueror.
Jesus doesn't run around looking for the place where the glory dwells. He finds the glory in the place He is.
Faith begins with a knowledge of Him upon our hearts.
Gifts will change, they will morph, they will develop. The call of God stands sure.
Christ for the Nations Institute.
Training and empowering
For your calling.